Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll discuss one more topic, that is cyber criminals modus operandi, means the methods of operation, like how actually the cyber criminals execute this type of cyber crimes or cyber attacks. So what are the methods they use in order to do these illegal activities? First one is phishing attack. So you have already studied this again in various videos I've explained. Email phishing is sending fake links, malicious links through email. That is basically spear phishing, and the same thing if it is targeted by specific individuals and specific organizations. That is spear phishing. Next, malware distributions. What is this malware distribution is? First one is that malicious attachment. So through the very important files, what they do, along with that, they will attach some more files which contains the virus or malicious links, malicious softwares. So this will again affect your system, and this is how they again use the trick to do the cyber attack. Next is drive-by downloads. So what happens is, automatically certain viruses or certain malicious or certain vulnerabilities will get downloaded into your computer systems without your knowledge. So that is also one of the method they use to do the cyber attack. Next is ransomware attacks. In that there are two types. One is encrypting files. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will lock your files, and if you want your file back, okay, they will demand some huge money. So until and unless you give that money, you don't get your file back. That is encrypting files. Next is double exhaustion. Double exhaustion means after even encrypting file, okay, they will again threaten you. They will what you say is they will make you get scared by threatening you, by telling that they will reveal your data information to others. They will reveal that particular information about, or they will reveal your sensitive information. So unless and until you pay the ransom amount to them, they will do the threatening. That is double exhaustion. Next is credential theft. Key logging. Key logging means, suppose in your ATMs and all, they will notice your hand gesture. With the help of your hand gesture, they will get to know your ATM pins. So, or they will put the fake keypads in your ATM machines. So you will type on that thing thinking that it is real keyboard, but there will be a duplicate keyboard on that. So they may easily trace your ATM card pins. So all those things happens. Next is, that is key logging. Next is credential stuffing. So what happens is, uh, using your previous, suppose some other time your username and password would have got hacked. So using that username and passwords, they will try to log in into multiple sites. Okay, so they will log in into multiple sites. Okay, thinking that you would have kept the same username and password, and they will again gain the unauthorized access. That is credential stuffing. Next is business email compromise, which is known as BEC. In that first one is impersonation, means you just introduce yourself as you're a big executive of a company, or you're calling from so and so bank. You're the manager of a bank and you're the manager of some company. So you just create a fake identity of yourself, and you will trick your employees to transfer the funds or your customers and all. That is impersonation. Next is distributed denial of service attacks. So what they do is, suppose you have a website, so suddenly they will overload the website. They will use make the website work out of capacity. So when there is sudden pressure or sudden overload in the website stops working. So again, that is the kind of cyber attacks they do. So that is again making forcefully making the website to get stopped. So you force, suddenly there is a lot of rush into the websites. You create an artificial traffic so that the website should not work properly. That is distributed denial of service attack. Next is man in the middle attacks. Means when two parties are communicating with each other, you just try to have that communication, or you alter that communication, manipulate that communication without their knowledge. Okay, so that is also one of the method they will use. Next is social engineering in that pretexting. Pretexting is they will brainwash uh, the humans and they will obtain the sensitive information. Baiting. Baiting is like you will offer a free download or the free offers, free softwares, free recharge. Like that, you just try to attract the customers and they will fall into the trap. That is also one of the method they will use baiting. Card skimming. So what do they do is at the shops and all, there'll be swiping machines. So in that swiping machine, they will try to collect your informations of ATM pin cards and all. So once they collect that information, they may use that information and withdraw money without your knowledge. That is card skimming. Next is crypto jacking. So what is this crypto jacking is? You will use someone's computer, okay? Using that someone computers, you will create these cryptocurrencies. So without their knowledge and consent, you just deal with this cryptocurrencies. That is crypto jacking. Next is identity theft. So what they do is you will steal someone's personal information, and using that personal information you will misuse all those personal information and then cause a crime. So they will cause a crime for that. That is identity theft. Next is IoT exploitation. So IoT, Internet of Things. So there'll be many internet devices in your home. From that internet devices in your home, they will again collect the informations available, various informations. So using that information also, they will do the cyber attack. Next is deep fakes. So what is this deep fakes is, you have seen usually they will create memes using AI. So they will post they will usually target the reputed people like heroines or politicians. They will create a video such type of that some political person is singing or some political person is dancing. So using the artificial intelligence, they will create all these fake contents. So when you see that, you really feel that yes, it is done by that person only, but it wouldn't have been actually done. So the reality will be different. But using AI, they have done, they'll be do such a way that seeing that video, you feel that the person has done. So that is deep fakes. Next is zero-day exploits. Means you will, without your knowledge, the attack would have happened. So you will have no time to deal with those attacks. That's why it is called zero-day attacks. Next is watering hole attacks. So this is watering hole attacks. Okay, it is usually done through the targeted people to the targeted people, where their devices will stop working suddenly, or their devices get infected. So their systems will be infected with the malwares or malicious softwares. That is water hole attacks. So these are the methods of operations that will be used by the cyber criminals. Hope you have understood this video very well. In my next video, I'll come with a very, very important topic, expected question in your examination, that is reporting of cybercrime. So I'll come back with my next video. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in our next video.